Tonight, we do know now that this man, Harold Tom Ward, is expected to stand trial on criminal charges in the death of this girl, 11-year-old Chloe Stevens. It was a case of carbon monoxide poisoning that happened back in March near Battle Creek.
24-hour News 8 7 Dean is in studio now after talking with the prosecutor who decided to file the charges and Ward's attorney, who's calling this a bogus case. Evan?
Yeah, Brian and Sue, police have said this was simply a tragic accident, but now, regardless of intent, it has become a criminal case. It was early March, West Michigan Avenue near Battle Creek, where the tragedy happened. On the outside, an upholstery shop, but inside, the family who runs the business had also made it their home. But they'd lost power to the building, and on a cold night were running a gas-powered generator inside to power a heater, but failed to properly vent the room, causing a dangerous buildup of carbon monoxide. The three inside, Harold Tom Ward, his girlfriend Sandy Confer, and her daughter Chloe Stevens, were found unconscious and rushed to the hospital. Ward and Confer eventually recovered, but 11-year-old Chloe died that next morning.
He's not charged with intentionally killing anyone. He's charged with, the allegation is gross negligence.
Fast forward to now, several months after the tragedy, Ward is charged with 2 felonies in the case: involuntary manslaughter and second-degree child abuse.
Most people understand that if you have a salamander or some other heater or an electric generator, it needs to be outside. It needs to be vented outside. If you have it inside, you're taking the chance that someone's going to die. And if someone does die, you're going to be responsible for that.
But Ward's defense attorney is firing back. He says charges never should have been filed.
I think it's a bogus case. It should be dismissed. Unfortunately, terrible accidents happen, and that's what this is. There was no intent. He was trying to protect this child from the cold. If he actually understood how it worked, he wouldn't have put himself and his fiancée in danger too.
The girl's mother was not charged in the case. Ward is out of jail on a PR bond. He waived his preliminary hearing just last week, so the case has been bound over to circuit court and is expected to go to trial. He could spend up to 15 years in prison if convicted. Brian?